Welcome back to Deluxe Detail. Today we have a faded headlight. Not only is it look horrible, but it's unroadworthy also. This customer is looking to sell this vehicle and needed the light repaired. We tape up around the outside edge to ensure there is no damage to the paint during the restoration process. Wet and dry sandpaper is used. We started on this one with 1500 as the top of the light needed a really good hard rub back. As we progress through the job, the sandpaper becomes lighter and lighter in grade, and we finished it with 2000. The object here is to get the hazing rubbed back and looking very consistent, as it does when I have finished sandpapering this light. The woolen buff head is used, and the hazing across the plastic from the sandpaper is slowly restored. This will leave the light looking perfectly clear and as new. To seal the headlight, we use a plastic restorer specially designed for headlights that will slow down the fading process on the light. The result here is amazing. A genuine headlight for this car to purchase and fit is $1,300 plus fitting, $200 to $400 for a second-hand light. This individual light here was completed for $80, as it required some extra work to restore. A simple job like this can massively improve the appearance and resale value of your car.